Okay, guys, today I'm going to be doing a review of Friends of Medium tote bag. I received this because last year I bought Friend of Medium membership for $15 when it was released. So I was one of the first 500 people, first of the 100 people. So then Medium sent me a coupon code and I inserted it on a specific website and they sent it to me after a couple of months. So this is a cotton canvas. Look at it, cotton canvas. And It has Friend of Medium written over it in black color font text and a medium logo as well, my friends. And it has some straps also. It has straps. So I haven't been using this for the past year or something. But what you can do about this tote bag is that you can put some books inside it, maybe if you are a avid book reader. So maybe put some 10 to 20 books inside it. Maybe 10 books are enough, my friends. And take it to a shop or something. Take it to a shop with you, the Friend of Medium tote bag. Or maybe you can give it to someone who really needs this tote bag, my friends. So this is very important to understand. And let's look at the back of this tote bag, Friend of Medium tote bag. It's completely white color canvas, cotton canvas, and it has a minimalist design. This tote bag has a minimalist design, my friends. So it's a very handy bag, to be honest with you. I am trying to use it in my day-to-day activities when traveling to a cafe, maybe drinking some milkshake or something. And the straps, my friends, um, have good quality. Like it has, it can, uh, you can like put, um, you can pull some weight from it, my friends. And also it has some text inside it. Everyone has a story to tell. So this is it, my friends. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this tote bag, friend of Medium tote bag. And also tell me if you have bought the Friend of Medium subscription or not, my friends. Take care.